Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I literally haven't filmed a video in so long, but I've decided to film this makeup look for you. I kind of call this like quite heavy going out makeup, and obviously I'm going out tonight, so I thought I'd just film this video for you guys and I hope you enjoy it, so just carry on watching. My face looks so rough. Why do I look like this? Ew. Right, to begin, I just put these little clips in my hair. Sorry if I keep looking in the viewfinder, I'm still not used to, I'm still not in the hang of it. But yeah, I'm just clipping my hair back because I'm gonna need to be able to see my actual face to do this. Right, so, to begin with, I'm using the Professional primer thing. This is actually really good. I've had it before, but I got sent it today by Benefit and I'm enjoying it. I really am. Just to let you know, I'm not a makeup artist, so I actually don't have a clue what I'm doing. And my mirror's here, if that's why I keep looking over there. Got no clue what I'm doing. I've literally just learned how to do makeup from like YouTube videos, and yeah, I'm not great. So once I've primed, I go in with this Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. I saw my friend Belle using it and I just thought, that looks nice, I'm gonna get that. And it's literally the best face cream I've ever tried. Like, it's so nice and literally melts into your skin, and yeah, it's just amazing. It is great. Keeps your skin feeling fresh, and it's just a good like start and a good first layer for all the cake to go on. All the cake to go on your face. And I just kind of like push it into my skin. I don't know why I do this, but it just feels like it's actually working and doing something. And then once I do that, I start off with brows, because I do my brows first. I don't know why I do my brows first, but I feel like people have their different preferences. Some people do their brows last, but you know, I might have to do this off camera because I might do an in-depth brow tutorial as another separate video, but we'll see. So I just did my brows off camera. As you can see, they are now on my face, and I've just carved them out using the new Morphe concealer. I bought this and it came today, and I've just tried it out and I actually really like it. Like, it's nice, and it's only like £9, so if you're looking for a cheap concealer that you want to get, definitely try this one. I'm using shade C2.25, so I will link everything down below if you want to check it out and see if you actually want to buy it or not. But yeah, I'm going to just set my lids with Loreal powder. This is my actual fave powder in the world. If you haven't got it, then don't know what you're doing with your life, really. Just put that on. I always make really weird faces when I'm doing my makeup. I feel like that's what everyone does, like they just kind of let their face go a bit wild. This concealer actually sets really nicely. I'm impressed. I'm going to do eyeshadow in a minute, but I actually don't know what I'm wearing yet. So I've got no idea. I'm going out for dinner tonight. I'm seeing Sophia and Lewis. Cannot wait to see those hoes. I love them. And we're probably going to get a bit drunk. So Dry Jan has gone absolutely out the window, to be honest. Right, I've set my lids. Now I'm going to go in with highlighter. Highlight the brow bone. I'm going to use this Doll Beauty palette. This is my favourite palette. It's got all 6 shades. I got this in a goodie bag, I think. Where did I get this from? Can't remember where I got it from. But I got it in a goodie bag, so I'm pretty happy with that. But it's got all the shades in it. I think I'm going to use Shine Bright, which is the one that's like hitting the pan right there. Just one. Just put that on the brow bone. Right, so I've highlighted the brow bone, and now I'm probably gonna, I wanted to use this new brow thing actually, the NYX Tinted Brow Mascara. I'm guessing it just sets them in place and puts a little bit of colour on them. But my brows are quite dark anyway, so I feel like I don't really need it, but I thought I'd try it anyway. It's quite nice. Quite nice. Makes them a little bit darker. sets in place, so that's good. And what I'm going to do before I do my eyeshadow is put a little bit of concealer under my eyes. I always do this, don't know why, but just to make like my under eyes a bit more even before I put, obviously when I come to putting foundation on. Blend, blend, blend. This sponge that I use is just from Morphe. It's actually the best sponge I've used. I don't like the beauty blender ones, is it? I like to cover my freckles. I know some people say that they like freckles, but I really don't like them. The fruit are elite. Best yogurt ever. And next, I'm going to do my eyeshadow. So, this is my favourite palette at the moment. I got it for Christmas. The Be Perfect one. It's like the extra large. It's huge. It's got so many shades in it. But, look how nice that is. Oh, amazing. I don't actually know what I'm wearing, so I don't know how I can decide this, but I think I'm going to go with the orangey shades. And I literally just go all over the lid. As you know, I'm not an MUA, as I said before. I have no clue what I'm doing, but literally just put this all over the lid. I'm using the shade Slow Burn because this is my favourite orangey shade. It's like that one there. It's just an orangey shade and it's really nice. Just wear. The one thing I want to learn to do is eyeshadow. Like I feel like that's my weakness. Like I'm not good at eyeshadow, but I feel like I'm alright at everything else on my face. That's the issue. Then what I'm going to do is I bought these like things from Beautybay and they're actually really good. It's kind of like the Stila, is that how you say it? Stila cosmetic eyes. I don't know how, I literally don't know what it's called, I forgot. But they're really good. And one is called just Topaz. What a nice name. In the inner corner. I don't know if you can see that. The lighting's not great in here at the moment. I'm still sorting out my dressing room and it's taking a while. So after I've done my eyeshadow, I like to go in with foundation. This is my favourite part, just watching my base turn flawless basically. This is the Hourglass foundation. It's the stick one. I think it's quite expensive, but it's literally one of the best foundations in the world. So you need it in your life if you haven't got it. I feel like I said that about everything, but if you don't have it then you need it. That's a fact really, isn't it? So, also if you can't tell, I've got my lip blush done and I'm so happy with it. You literally wake up and have colour on your lips. Because obviously I've had lip filler and it can like make your, like the pigment in your lips not show up as much. So I got it done and I'm really, really happy with it actually. I'm really pleased. So yeah, I just draw sticks on my face like this. Literal sticks. And this is like medium to full coverage. I'm pretty sure it's full coverage. Like the more you build it up, the more coverage you get. So it just depends on how much coverage you actually want. But I'm gonna just beat this away. I'm going to try the Huda Beauty concealer. I haven't used this in ages, but I got it today and I got the same shade that I got ages ago before it ran out. But I'm actually really excited to try because everything from Huda Beauty is insane. It looks so crazy. Let's see if I like the concealer because the last time I tried it was literally about, don't know how many years ago. So I think it was like 2 years ago. But if I like it, I shall be recommending. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is set my face with translucent powder so I can go in with all the other shit that I put on my face. If you see my stories on Instagram, you would see that I'm planning my 21st party. I'm so excited. Like I literally can't tell you how excited I am for this party. Like now that I've got a theme and I'm looking at the venue tomorrow, I'm just so excited. Like I feel like it's all coming to life, you know, with my ideas that I've got. I know it's very early, it's in June, but what can you do? If you're looking for good brushes, literally just look on eBay or Amazon, because it's like a tenner for like quite a few brushes in a pack. Right, there we go. That's better. Right, now I recently bought this Charlotte Tilbury airbrush powder because I thought that it would actually like blur the under eye, but it actually isn't really doing that. I don't really know what it does, but I'm gonna put some underneath my eye. I saw who did I see using this? What makeup artist? I think it was Caitlin Duff. I think that's her name on Instagram. But it literally is supposed to like airbrush your under eye in pictures and stuff. And I haven't really tested it out properly, but I'm going to test it tonight when I take photos, so I will give you a review. I'm going to go in with this palette now, not the other one that I did first of all. Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. This one is actually really good. I love this palette. And I'm just going underneath. I don't know what this part's called. What is it? Lower lash line, maybe? Don't know, not a makeup artist. Again, got no clue. So put this underneath here. Just so that there's colour on both, you know? I don't like it when there's not colour. I'm going to go in with mascara next. This is actually my favourite mascara that I've used for my lower lash line. Obviously I've got lash extensions, so I don't use them. I don't use mascara on my top lashes, but this is so good. It's the telescopic one. I feel like everyone raves about this, and it's been going on for a while. Like, I've seen loads of beauty bloggers and stuff use it, so it's good. It's really good. But then I go in with bronzer, and now at the moment, actually I might do this face powder. So I got this powder from Kiko, and it's actually really good. I think it's just a matte pressed powder, and I've got this big fluffy brush from Amazon. It's actually my new favourite. But I'm just gonna make sure everything's set, because I feel like I can still see bits of like shininess, so I want to make sure we're all set in. Just gonna bronze now. Gonna make myself really dark because at the moment I'm looking a bit pale. The concealer was very light and has made me look very pasty. I use the Morphe one actually as well, but it's not as good as this one. This is like it just goes dark enough for me, like how I want it. So I feel like it's hard to talk and do makeup at the same time, so sorry if I'm not actually talking. I'm just staring at myself and trying to do this. Okay, once I've put the majority of the bronzer on, I always go back after, but I'll actually just do that. I want to try out this new, I think it's a bronzer, I think it's a blush, but I don't know. I'm a bit confused. It says, for a natural fresh glow, lightly sweep this dusty sunset plum powder across cheekbones and chin. But it's not a blush. Doesn't look like a blush. I'm going to try this one. Dandelion by Benefit. They sent me this as well. Cute of them. And I'm using my new brush that I got from Amazon again. Let's see if this is a nice shade. It might be too light. It's got like a shimmer in it. I don't know if I like shimmery blush. Gotta give yourself some colour. I don't know how people don't wear blush. Like, it's a key thing for me to do. And next I'm going to go in with highlighter. Again, I'm going to use the one that I used earlier to highlight my brow bone from Doll Beauty. This is a really good highlighter. I go a bit OTT with the highlight. I've got a hair tutorial up, so if you want to watch that and know how I curl my hair, then you can. I'll link that below as well. I'm literally going to go over, the highlight with this. I know I probably shouldn't go in with more, but I love it. This is Cookie by Benefit. Oh my god, look inside, look at that. I think I'm gonna use a smaller brush just to get some on the... It's very bright. Very, very bright. Next step is, well, I think this is the final step actually. I'm going to do lips. At the moment I've been loving, this is my lip combo that I've been doing. Cork liner from MAC. What I do is I use the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in Miami Fever. This is my fave. You can get it on Cult Beauty or Beautybay. It's like an orangey shade, it's like this, really nice. Finally, I've got lips back. Don't know if I want to put this in the middle of my lips. This is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in London. I might put a little bit here. I'm sorry if the lighting's not great, but I will probably end up sorting that out soon. I got these two as well in my little shop that I did. I got the NYX Butter Glosses, two of them. I got Maple Blondie and Madeleine, I can't say that. But they're really nice. This one's more pinky, and then Madeleine, I can't say it, is more like pinky nude. But I use loads of glosses on top of each other. Don't know why, I just like to slap them all on my face because I love gloss. So yeah, that's really dry by now, and then I just put this on as a little glossy. My brother's playing music in the shower. Cheers. Cheers for that. I can hear it. Freaking hell. He's playing Michael Jackson. So yeah, this is the lip combo. I like this one. And then I use the Kiko Hydro Glosses. These are like the best glosses as well. If you know about Kiko glosses, then you know about Kiko glosses. But this is number 4, and it's like pinky but with like loads of shimmer in it. Let's see if you can see that again. Can't really see it. But this is like just that intense gloss with a bit of sparkle in it. Of course, I'm making myself darker. This is my other favourite bronzer. This is the Glamabronze by Morphe. Phenomenon or something. I don't know. But yeah, this one's really dark and actually shows up. So, look, as you can see, it looks a bit more orange now. Bring this down. You have to make sure you tap off, because otherwise it literally is very dark. And you might not like that, because it might be too orange. But I love being bronzed, as you can see. So this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any like questions, or you want to know about any other products or just any information, then let me know in the comments below. But yeah, I've had so much fun filming this video. Yeah, I'll see you in the next video.